Hi crafters, I'm Leila. Welcome to the world of Abra Cardboard Bra. On this channel you will learn the magic of cardboard so you too can make all of your craziest projects come true. If you don't believe me, just the many industries, packaging, manufacturing, food, construction, retail, you name it, that are relying on cardboard's wood-like strength every single day to transport their goods. By the way, if you haven't noticed yet, I am French and in my country we love cardboard. We love it so much in fact that we protected it with a decree in December 2021 that designated recycled cardboard fiber as a valuable resource rather than mere waste. What a fantastic boost for a material cherished in our traditions for centuries, now being recovered at the local rate of 78%. We have definitely put a lot of effort into building its appeal, and it's certainly played its part in return in elevating our country's classy etiquette reputation. Think about how we use it to showcase our beloved pastries or pâtisseries, as we call them locally, in those beautiful see-through Barbie-like boxes. Yes, we like fancy. We turn to designer boxes to cradle our expensive Chanel shoes. We even use it as an incentive to encourage you to buy more of our luxurious cosmetics. Are you familiar with the wonderful gift sets from L'Occitane? If so, you know what I'm talking about. Cardboard sells just as much as the product it contains, and if cardboard is so widely used in packaging design, it is because of its versatility, affordability, and ease of manipulation. In my 10 years as a managing editor in the publishing industry, cardboard was used extensively to create prototypes before the era of software. It allowed us to quickly test product designs before committing to more expensive materials. Not to mention, books themselves, especially those designed for children or high-end art books, are still manufactured using high-density cardboard. Lots of artists in fact like using cardboard to create intricate artworks and sculptures, like in a movie, photography or architecture industries, where cardboard is often used in visual planning, special effects, set design and construction for creating props, backgrounds and even entire sets. You have to consider that cardboard is lightweight, easy to work with and cost-effective, which makes it ideal for crafting temporary structures and details that are only needed for a few scenes. Now, if you are like I was 10 years ago, you probably have a bunch of cardboard stacked in your recycling bins waiting for the recycling truck to collect them. Please follow my lead and start saving them. Soon you will discover how invaluable cardboard is, and trust me, in just a week or so, you will hesitate before tossing any piece of cardboard into the trash. Alongside me, you will craft decorations and pieces of furniture from cardboard. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you don't want to miss out. I also want this channel to be a space for friendly interactions. Any ideas, suggestions are welcome in the comments. And know that I will gladly study your dream projects and challenge myself to help you give them shape. So don't hesitate to send them my way. Now ready to embrace the magic of cardboard? Follow me through the workshop and let's embark on this creative adventure together. I'll see you there.